Welcome back, everybody. This is an exciting day because I'm going to show you this brand new 25-piece deluxe griddle toolkit, exclusive special at Walmart and walmart.com. So let's take a closer look. 2 griddle spatulas, 1 hamburger spatula, 1 rear grease gate, 2 serving trays. These are brand new orange ones, pretty sweet. 3 scrub pads, 5 grease cup liners. We're going to go upside down or backwards. 1 scrub pad handle, 6 kebab skewers. These were a special for Thanksgiving last year. 2 32-ounce squeeze bottles, 1 14-inch tong, and a griddle scraper. I will add, it's a $130 value, and I'm not sure about this, but I think these are sold for under 40 bucks. So it is a killer deal if you want to boost up your Blackstone collection. And this is always like my favorite thing, new Blackstone products. So this is a perfect kit if you don't have much Blackstone stuff, or maybe you're new to griddling. Let's break it all apart here. I got my knife. Let's cut these open. The tongs, what are these called? 14-inch tongs, I believe. I've been using these for a long time, actually. It's a classic Blackstone style there. It's got the rubber handles, got the lock on the end. It's got the little Blackstone logo at the bottom. Perfect. I use these for rolling hot dogs. I use them for making bacon this morning. Perfect for flipping bacon. Perfect for steaks, flipping steaks and all that stuff. So Blackstone locking tongs. Here's the skewer set. These were all part of a brand new limited edition Black Friday / special event deal last year, and they apparently brought them back this year for this special dealio as well. I've used these in a few videos. You can see me using these on a skewer recipe on my Let's Give It a Try show on Blackstone social media. So these are kind of cool. They have the Blackstone logo in silicone at the end. Silicone, what do you say? Stainless steel, and you can load those things up with, whatever you're doing and put them down on the griddle top. And even though they're silicone, you still want to be careful. Obviously, you don't want to grab that bare-handed. If it is mega hot, I'd probably use a glove. But these are really nice. A nice set of stainless Blackstone skewers. It's the ergonomic, the little thumb handle scraper, perfect for scraping off your griddle top, and it's got the Blackstone logo, of course, on the handle, on the side, and in the stainless scraper blade. We have 3 Blackstone spatulas. Of course, if you're a griddler, you have to have a matching spatula set. Just a given, right? That's what we do. If we're using stir fry, I'm reining it in. If we're doing something like, bacon with a cheeseburger, over here with your cheeseburger patties, and over here maybe another spatula to keep it sanitary for bacon alone. So spatulas, perfect. There you go. So set of spatulas. Hamburger spatula. These are nice because they're mega heavy. They have that pronounced area right there. I've used these before. Those are perfect because they don't bend, and you can use these to smash. If you want to, you can smash down. It has that pronounced area there that reinforces it, and super big. So if you wanted to do these monster burger patties, almost like a patty melt, you can do those with these as well. Same design on everything, so it matches your complete set. We have the Mongo Blackstone squeeze bottles, 32 ounces again, I believe. You need one for your water, you need one for your oil. So if it was me, I'd probably have extra virgin olive oil and water. My grease cup liners got a little bent. They've apparently seen a better day, so we're gonna pretend we didn't see that. There we go. Now we're back in fashion. So, grease cup liners, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. Perfect for the back of your griddle. The new rear grease gate. You can see I'm using it actually right here, right now. Perfect for the back of your griddle if you're doing stir fry or something, and you want to be able to move stuff around, not worry about something falling in that grease hole. And then you can just grab your spatula, your tongs, or whatever, slide it in, slide it out, back and forth. So Blackstone stainless rear grease gate. Here we go, one of these scrubber handles and scrubber pads. A lot of people have questions about these. These are not for everyday maintenance per se. Typically you're just lightly scraping your griddle and wiping it and oiling it, but if you need to get a little more aggressive with your cleaning, you can use these. So it's up to you how often you want to use these. I don't use them very often, but some people love them. And then last but not least, and I am mega excited about these. These these are brand new. I've never actually had hands on one before. Orange Blackstone serving trays. So look at how nice these are. Made out of plastic. Think, you know, I'm 50 years old, so think about like when I grew up, they had the cool high school serving trays that we ate out of. This reminds me of those. Really neat. Or maybe vintage restaurant kind of, you know, serving trays. These are pretty darn sweet, and I'm probably the most excited about those myself. So in closing, here it is. One last look at it. The Blackstone 25-piece griddle toolkit. I have most of this stuff, but I wanted to bring it and show it to you because I know a lot of you are new griddlers, or a lot of you don't have some of this stuff. So perfect time. Again, this is under 40 bucks. This stuff is just like pennies on the dollar compared to the retail value, which is 130 bucks. So a killer deal. Check it out, Walmart and walmart.com, and I'll be back with another cooking video as soon as I can. Until next time, praise the Lord and pass the food. So there you go. This is a special 2022 Blackstone Walmart pre-Thanksgiving Black Friday kind of a dealio, and it hit me as I'm editing the video right now. I've got 2 of these. I don't really need 2. Why don't we just give one away? So leave me a comment down below if you are subscribed to my channel right here, and you give me a thumbs up right here on the video, and you leave me a comment, and you live in the US or Canada. Let me know why you want this. Maybe I'll pick you and I'll send this your way. We'll let this contest run for a week or so. So thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you win.